Alright guys, welcome to my channel, Real Life Excel. Mentioned this in a previous video, wanted to talk about ways to immediately and automatically pick out the best performers out of every month and the worst performers out of every month. And so I already have a completed version of this, but I just wanted to create a working file. You can see here I have selected the best amount from this data set and then the name of the employee with the best data set. So we'll start working on that. So I'll select the max, and I'm calling it max because there's a function in Excel that will let you return the largest value in a set of values, and we get to decide that set of values. So we can select this set for January. It'll say table that we're selecting from John to Jane. Then what we can do is grab this little bottom right little square and just drag it down. And Excel's pretty smart that it'll understand, okay, you want this dragged down, we'll keep the same formula and just move it down. Perfect. So we can type in best performer, bold that, and then we can also double click this column to make the word text fit within the cell. Boom, automatically fit to the perfect size. Now, this is where there could potentially be improvements made on my formula. A bunch of future Excel gurus or coders probably gonna look at this and say, "Oh man, this is horrible. Like, just stop." But basically, we're just gonna create a way based on the number, so the max number, to pick out the name of that person. So if I do ifs, so this is creating a sort of logical test, as it says here, to select the highest value within this month. So if I select the highest value, and if it equals John's value, then we will return John's name. Obviously, since John is not the highest, it's Marissa. We'll just keep going along, but eventually we'll be able to fill all this out and it will automatically pick out the highest performer. So I'll keep doing that. So select the highest, or I guess the max value, see if it equals the value for Adam or for any specific colleague, and we'll just keep doing that. Return Marissa equals Peter. Betsy's amount, max equals Jane's amount. I believe, yep, it should be picking out Marissa's. We can just drag down. We can see Marissa performed best in January. If we delete this to 0, then I'll switch over to Allie's. Perfect, so it looks like it's working. So now we can go and create the minimum amount or the lowest amount of phone calls made for that employee. And we'll use the minimum function or the min function, and it'll just return the smallest value within the set of values that we select. So we'll select again that same data set for that month. Close that, grab the little box, drag it down. Now we have the lowest performers, the lowest number of phone calls made for that month. Let me make that column a little bit bigger. And luckily, since we already built this logistical test, we can just copy that here, Control C and Control V. You can see it's already picking up Peter. Use the little box, drag it down. We'll pick up Adam, who's the worst performer. Adam again in March, and so forth. So let's just say, ooh, looks like Jane had the best month. If I just delete it to 0, it'll immediately automatically pick up Betsy's number as the best performer. Then it looks like it's not picking up that one correctly. There we go. I had to put in a 0. But once I put in a 0 here, Jane automatically switched to the worst performer instead of Adam. Awesome. So yeah, this is just a little exercise showing if you want to select a specific data or data point within a large set of data, and this can just keep going on and on and on. Obviously, this is a very small data set, but yeah, this is a good way if you just want to see, okay, who's the best performer or worst performer. We should give them a good shout out or have a stressful conversation with them on how to improve their performance. Anyways, hope this was helpful for you guys, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you would recommend to improve this, because I feel this giant mess is not the best. Anywho, thanks guys. Take care.